solving problems. As Carl Rydell said a few years ago on the 30th anniversary of the program, that he envisioned the environmental program as a program that would allow people to become engaged in the quest to understand and resolve environmental problems. ESA's history of involvement in problem solving begins almost with its founding. The association was founded in 1915 at a meeting in Columbus, Ohio, and within 2 years there was formed something called the Committee for the Preservation of Natural Conditions. A lot of people involved in the early days of the Ecological Society were interested not just in promoting ecological research, but actually preserving natural environments of various kinds. That effort led, importantly, in 1946 to the founding of something called the Ecologists Union, which we now know as the Nature Conservancy. Starting in 1950, became one of the biggest nonprofits on the planet, and of course famous for preserving landscapes. In more recent history, ESA has established 3 what I call program offices. These are strictly my own terms. In 1983, ESA established its public affairs office with, just at the time, a half-time person in the intent to establish a voice for the ecological community in national policy. In 1992, what is now the ESA Science Office, that I have the privilege of directing, was founded to implement the goals of the 1991 Sustainable Biosphere Initiative report, led by Jane Lubchenco and a group of others. Jane Lubchenco now famously being the administrator at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. I'll talk a bit more about SBI and its goals and where we came from in a minute. Thirdly, the education, what is now the Office of Education and Diversity Programs, became independent of the Public Affairs Office where it had started